What is up? This is going to be a trade recap for 18th of December 2025. Was a pretty nice day, and at the same time, I almost fucked up, but control myself, and then like I'm good. I'm good on the day. Anyways, let's break it down, right? So from the day start, I was bearish. I know for a fact that the price is gonna go down because there's just a retracement, right? Like it's going to be a retracement. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can actually see how the price is actually moving. Price has been constantly bullish from December 11th, or maybe December 11th, or maybe more than that, bro. Like it's just a retracement, taking out the inducements on the high time frame, and yeah, I mean like I was bearish as soon as I saw this. We clearly have a, a higher high lower, higher low, higher high, lower high. What the fuck? I don't understand. I mean, I really forgot the basics of the basics. Anyways, this forms a high, that's lower high, and this is lower low, lower high. Price came back down, lower low, lower high, came back down, lower low, lower high. Should have to come back down here tomorrow. So that's what I'm anticipating. Probably we can see if we can see actually price. What the hell? We can. What the hell? What the hell? We can actually see the price coming down to this zone. Maybe, who knows? I mean, like, I'm just saying. Anyways, that was my ideology, and that's what I was following. And pretty nice. It was pretty nice. I followed the rules. I can take 3 trades. So these are the 3 trades today. So once this 5 minutes inversion happened, like a 1 minute inversion, and also price holding out this, what is this? 5 minutes fair value gap, 5 minutes bullish fair value gap. I mean, like a bearish fair value gap, and it's still holding. Like price actually closed around here the first 5 minutes. So I thought like the price is gonna go down, and I was like, I don't know, bro. Like whenever it is like this, I wait for this. Whenever I wait for the fair value gap retest, I used to get a late entry like this, and my entry initially would be here, and I really didn't want to like actually engage in a trade right away because I was already down $500, 1% on my XFA. So I had to like be careful on it, right? So I entered on a trade right around here after inversing this fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap. That's like, and also we got a huge displacement. Like if even if the price wanna come up, it has to like somewhere around here, like it has to like break this high. I mean break this fair value gap. If it inverses that fair value gap, we can actually look for belongs. So minimum of risk, and I was like up around like $1,200 on my combine and hit my break even right here, bro. Like what? I really don't get it. So, anyways, I'm not worried about it. Like I was like waiting for the price to do its thing, and right around here, I got another inversion, got into a position at the middle of this. Probably in the middle of that, and then boom, went up. That was like, I mean, like that was a tiny loss to be honest. Like, yeah, I mean, like not break even. It was like a tiny loss, like $170, $200, I guess. Made around like $700 on this trade, and it was like up $500, and then got into another position right here. I don't know how much I made on this. Anyways, I ended up the day on my eval with this. So here it is. 6 trades on my combine and 3 trades on my XFA. This was the only, I mean, let's go to the XFA. I don't know. I want to just wanna look at the executions. Yeah, I actually closed this trade a bit earlier, probably around like made back all the losses, right? I mean, like I was actually trading the stop loss. got stopped around somewhere here. I don't know. I don't give a fuck about it anyways. So the reason for targeting this high is because that's like a 1 minute fair value gap, and the price has to hold. And like, yeah, I mean, anyways, let's get to the third trade. Third trade was a pretty amazing trade. As I was looking at the price holding up this 1 minute fair value gap, that was my initial entry should be. That's where my initial entry should be. So I should have just waited for the price to come back down to this 1 minute fair value gap and then like give me another market structure, market maker model. Probably, I mean, like I should have waited for that one trade, but I didn't really do it. But after this inversion, I got into a position right around somewhere here. I mean, like here after that inversion. So price ended up sweeping out this low. I mean, like I'm lucky enough to actually take this decision to myself for actually taking out the profits right around this candle open. So straight up reversed after that would have been tilted if I wouldn't have taken I mean, wouldn't have profit. I mean, close to profits. Yeah, I don't know what would have happened. I could have just like went to the settings and just like change everything, and like I would have been fucked up if I really did that. So, anyways, this was three trades, like amazing day. Honestly, like that's like a tiny loss and that recovery, and then that's the last trade. So it was a pretty amazing trade. Honestly, I loved it. I loved everything about today. But the price action is like fucked up, to be honest. So, anyways, it is what it is. Only thing we had to do as a trader is to know when to walk away. So probably somewhere around here, I walked away, and on my what's that combine? Probably I took another trade right around here. That was like a loss, $5 loss, and then again I went on a buy, closed right around here. So it was a pretty amazing trade. I could have just held that trade a little bit more, maybe past this account today, but that's like I almost need like $250 to pass this account now. So, anyways, I'm doing good, honestly. So all I need to do is get past December. So all I need to do is survive December. So if I did that, nothing can stop me, bro. I'm telling you. So, anyways, that's about the trade recap for 18th of December 2025. And I'm out. Adios. And forgot, almost forgot. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in God. Anything is possible. Everything's gonna fall on your laps if you believe in yourself and believe in God and believe in only yourself. Nobody else. Just fuck everybody. Just believe in yourself. And that's about it. And I'm out. Adios for real this time.